Hi, welcome to Rgb Systems. My name is Church, and today we're going to be looking at this Razer Blackwidow Ultimate Chroma mechanical keyboard. The main selling point of this keyboard is its RGB backlighting capabilities. As you can see, we have a rainbow effect swiping across the keyboard, and that is accomplished with RGB LEDs underneath these keycaps. So, this has a Razer green switch. They are manufactured by Kale, and they have the Razer branding on it. And each one of these keys has its own LED. The physical specifications are very similar to another Blackwidow Ultimate. It has a full keyboard layout, including the numpad. It also has 5 macro keys along the side. And in addition to that, it has a USB pass-through, as well as headphone and microphone pass-through. So you can plug all of those into the back of your computer at once with the keyboard USB plug and just run them straight from here. This keyboard uses the regular Synapse 2.0 software, and Razer actually did a really good job of implementing the lighting controls into the software. You can do this rainbow effect. You can have it swipe from either way. You can do breathing colors, either a solid color, 2 colors, or a random color that Razer selects for you. You can also do just a solid color. You can do reactive lighting, so if you press keys, then the key will glow that color and then fade after a few seconds. And all of these are built into the software. You don't have to mess with a lot of settings, and they just work. The only problem with this is that you don't have some of the very advanced control over the keyboard that you might like. So maybe every time I hit escape, I want the keyboard to explode into colors, but I can't do that because it's not the escape explode into colors profile that Razer provides for you. Rgb backlighting is a popular trend in gaming mechanical keyboards, and Razer came out with a very nice offering. I have to commend them for that. It benefited greatly that they have their own key switch, because Cherry, who makes the most popular mechanical key switches, signed an exclusive deal with Corsair to make RGB Cherry backlit switches. So unless you're Corsair, you can't have a mechanical backlit keyboard with Cherry switches. Razer has their Razer switch, so they're clear. Logitech is also working on a keyboard, and they're going to have their own switch for that keyboard and RGB backlighting. So it'll be nice to see that when it comes out. If you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe, and then tell me what kind of backlighting profile you would use. Have a good one.